2017 Chevy Equinox, 2.4-liter engine. Customer states the engine is running rough, especially at idle and under load. Scanned the vehicle for diagnostic trouble codes. Found P0302 Misfire cylinder 2. Checked ignition and fuel-related components. No coil or injector issues found that would explain the misfire. Engine oil level is low. Tailpipe shows heavy soot buildup indicating oil consumption. Inspection revealed the timing chain was recently replaced. However, the misfire and zero compression were not timing related. The repair addressed a symptom, not the root cause. Performed a compression test on all cylinders. Cylinder number 2 has zero compression. Remaining cylinders tested within acceptable range. Zero compression combined with oil consumption confirms internal engine failure, likely from worn or damaged piston rings, scored cylinder walls, possible valve damage. This failure goes much deeper than the timing chain. Due to internal mechanical damage and oil consumption, engine replacement is recommended. Internal repairs would not be reliable or cost-effective.
Grease Tech here. Hit like and follow video service information for more breakdowns and mechanical carnage.